Menteri rang ba ka jelau la pensyai ba kamat ka ba kamat akam dai halor ka ILP nek MRSSA. Ndai ka dai halor ka Jingrung kertep ki Mynder ba Sorkar ka temu ban penbiang ki an bat ki kinhun ki badan benta ban tem mek nek jing ba Sorkar ka Kloi ban Iasyllok ba ki seng partai ki seng bhalang bat ki kinhun ba pher. Ulong ba Sorkar kadang persyang banwat kilat ki balak ban penhun lang ya ka Sorkar pedeng bat yo pat ba. Kadang ban yo ka bor ka batikna ban khanglat ki Jingrung kertep ki Mynder. Halor ke MRSSA, Menteri Rang Ba ula kentat ke jingkeno ba shimla pentre kam ka, ndai ula ong ba ke MRSSA kelas nang menteri kam hegi babun kishnong, bat kipat ba kila ai ke jingkershan ke babha, wat la ki don ki jing akil yang kapisa, bat ki jingtai baper. Ula pen pau badan ke jing bakla ke balale na rogopor ke Sorkar ke bamenshwa. Namar hakaan shimla tho banbo iki entry exit checkpoint. Ndai haka rule pat la tho bandon ki check gate. Namar baga rule ke dai banbot ya kaan. Kani ke jinge per ke penduk bor ke Sorkar banbo yakini ki kerdop. Conrad kongkal Sangma uletho bawala ke Sorkar ke lepersyang ban penkela ya kaan yak yang dorbar tawan, ndrai ulat ke jelau lepen pau ya ke jeng artatin. Namar kata ke Sorkar kadang wat ki wei pat kilat penyo ke bor banbo iki checkpoint ban pet ngor ke jingrung jingmi jangki breu ke nabar ke jela.
Our issue is the illegal immigration. Issue is not ILP. Issue is not Immigration Act. Issue is not MRSSA. I keep repeating our issue is illegal immigration, and therefore we need laws, we need mechanisms to check it. And I think the focus of political parties and organizations should be towards achieving that. And therefore, we are not saying that what we propose is going to be right. We could be, wrong, or we would be missing out something. That's fair. But I guess we can only reach that conclusion if we are able to have a dialogue and if we talk to each other. And therefore, what Deputy CM had said that time was something that we are intending to do. We're trying to work towards it. We're trying to move forward and see and explore whether that is a possibility. Because when you try to do one part, then government of India will say, well, this is possible, but this is not. If you try to do something else, and the public says, well, we don't, accept this one. So we're trying to find a balance and a way in which we are able to get Government of India also on board, and we're able to get the public also and the organization, civil society on board, and achieve the final goal of being able to have a system and a mechanism in place to check illegal immigration. And I think that is really what the objective is. So therefore, you may say this, but if I were to ask you the question, which particular clause or which particular part of this proposal are they objecting?